Hello, welcome to G-Lite Concepts. Today, I want to teach you how you can change the color of an image in CorelDRAW. So, I downloaded an image from Google Chrome, just Google Chrome directly. So, let's bring that image to our CorelDRAW, and here is our image. A very beautiful vehicle. So once you convert this, change the color of this. So all we need to do is just head to bitmaps, click on edit bitmap. Let's wait for it. It's going to open your Corel photo. I think that's open down right here. Yeah, here it is. So this is it. So don't worry if you look at this like this, if you see your interface like this, it's nothing. It can appear at the top or anywhere. All you just need to do is come to effects and come to adjust and come to replace colors. So you have this right here. So what's the original color? You just click on this and sample our original color, and it has auto filled. And what's the color you want to change it to? I want to change it to something like this. Yes, something like this. So you can see the color has already changed right here, but maybe you want it to be more intense, saturated. You just come here and adjust this. You can see that as you're adjusting it, it's changing right there. Or you can just change the smoothness this way. You can still come here and take this down here too. Maybe take it a little bit more, depending on how you want to adjust it. And then once you're adjusting it, you'll be seeing how it's going. Let me zoom this close so that we can see it very well. Um, let's add the smoothness. This is the smoothness. Is that too much? Yes, I think this is okay right here. Then maybe the smoothness should be around here, or maybe a little bit more, just depending on how you just work on your picture. Uh, I think this smoothness is okay, right? Or you want us to take it down a little bit? We can still do that. Maybe just keep it here. Yeah, just keep it here. So you see our color has changed. If you want, you can just add the hue a little bit. But whatever you do, just know it's going to affect that a little too. You can see this. You can see how the colors are moving. But this is what we are interested in. So let's keep it here and finish editing. Save change to bitmap. Yes, change. And let's head back to CorelDRAW, and this is our bitmap right here. You can see the color has changed. So this is how you convert an image color in CorelDRAW. Thank you. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and come back for more.